If you plan to open a beauty salon, besides setting the objectives, you'll need to know how you'll achieve them. Or in other words, you need a sound salon business plan. If you already have a salon that is doing well, it might seem like a lot of work and trouble to sit down and make a business plan. But if you want your salon to keep thriving and growing, having clearly defined goals and plans is important. Creating a salon business plan can help you identify specific goals and strategies, guide how you can reach them, and see your business thrive. Knowing how to craft your plan is vital, as it can easily make or break your salon business. This video will walk you through how to create a salon business plan step by step. A salon business plan is a formal written statement of the goals you want to set for your business. It explains why you want to set those goals and what your plan is for reaching them. A salon business plan might also include information about the individuals or teams working toward those goals with you. A good salon business plan gives an overview of where your business is now and explains where you want it to be. It also includes marketing information and research that impact your business plan in general. Writing a salon business plan also enables you to identify potential difficulties and challenges that may arise in the future. Once you've identified them, you can create a strategy to address them. Having a business plan is just one of the essential steps to opening your very own salon. To see what other boxes need to be checked, download our Opening a Salon Checklist PDF linked in the description. An executive summary explains what your salon is like and why it is successful. The executive summary should include information that is relevant to stockholders or investors. Include details about your target market, business objectives, and financial projections. Don't forget to add information about your products and service menu, as well as your vision and mission. An executive summary of every salon business plan should include this: business overview. Introduce the reader to your salon. Include information like the name and location and a brief description of your core values, vision, and mission. Market analysis. Here you should provide a summary of your research on your target market. Include details about the target market's trends and demographics. Then highlight gaps or opportunities in the market that you plan to capitalize on. Include your business objectives. Clearly identify your business goals and state what you want your salon to achieve. This might include details like expansion plans, revenue targets, or customer acquisition goals. In this section, you can include any goals that will affect your salon's growth and success. In products and service menu, give a brief overview of what your salon offers. Make sure your unique features and competitive advantages stand out. Explain what your salon is doing to meet the needs of the target market. Explain your marketing strategy. This includes information about advertising, branding, social media, and so on. If you have any original ideas for how to make your salon stand out from the competition, make sure to highlight them here. And don't forget your financial projections. Provide a detailed financial plan overview. Include any information about profit targets, expenses budget, and revenue forecasts. It would be great if you can highlight any achievements or milestones you have reached that prove the financial viability of your salon. Also, you should clearly explain the funding requirements for your salon. Explain how much funding you need and how you will use the funds. A mission statement is a short explanation of why you created your salon, what your goal is, and how you want to achieve it. Your mission statement is an important part of your salon business plan, so it should be the first thing you see on the page. It's a good idea to put it at the top of the page where you and others can see it and be reminded of your purpose. The mission statement not only explains why you started the salon, but it also explains what you have to offer. To get an idea of what your mission statement should include, ask yourself, why does my salon exist? A vision statement serves a similar purpose. It explains where you want to take your business and what you hope to achieve. It defines your goals and the future impact you want to have. To identify the key points that will go into your vision statement, ask yourself, where do I see my salon in the future? In case you need a bit of help, take a look at some brilliant salon mission statement examples linked in the description of this video. Also, writing an effective slogan will only underline the message you wish to send, so make sure you have one ready. A company description is a quick overview of your business that explains the core values of your company. This part of your salon business plan is all about giving a quick and simple rundown to the readers, or a general idea of what your business is all about. Include the name of your salon, the location, and your contact information. Also, include the details about the legal structure of your salon. Make sure this information is accurate and up to date. Write about company history and brand story. In this section, you should provide some information about the background and history of your salon. When was your business founded? What led you to start your business? Whatever your story is, this section is your chance to tell it. Describe what you offer and your USP. This section details what your clients can expect to find at your salon. You can use this section to provide details about new beauty products or services you're offering. Your salon's unique selling proposition is what makes your salon stand out from the rest of the market. If you're working on your own line of products, this is also a good place to mention it and provide an estimated timeline for when it will be available.